Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Corolla horn. First, locate your fuse box, usually under the hood, and check the horn fuse. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Next, you'll want to inspect the horn relay. You can often swap it with another similar relay to test it. Finally, directly test the horn itself by applying 12 volts from your battery to see if it sounds. This helps isolate the problem quickly. Before working on the steering wheel, always disconnect your negative battery terminal for safety. The issue might be within the steering wheel itself. Carefully remove the airbag module to access the horn contact plate or clock spring. These components can wear out or become damaged over time. Look closely for any frayed wires or loose connections that might be preventing the horn from working. This area requires careful handling. Once you've checked the steering wheel, it's time to trace the wiring. Follow the horn wires from the steering wheel down to the horn unit itself. Look for any signs of damage, such as cuts, pinches, or corrosion, which can interrupt the electrical flow. Also, ensure the horn has a good ground connection to the vehicle's chassis. Use a multimeter to confirm that power is reaching the horn when the button is pressed. This helps pinpoint electrical faults. After identifying the faulty component, whether it's the horn unit, relay, clock spring, or wiring, proceed with replacing it. Always use parts compatible with your Toyota Corolla for best results. Once everything is reconnected, including your battery, give the horn a test. It should now be working perfectly. And hey, while you're under the hood, why not treat your car to a fresh scent? Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your ride smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.